Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You found a hummingbird inside. Act quickly but calmly. First, reduce visual clutter by turning off bright overhead lights and opening one clear exit, ideally the main garage door or a side door leading outside. You want the bird to see natural daylight and move toward it. At the same time, quietly shepherd everyone, including pets, out of the space so there's less stress and fewer sudden movements. Once done, stand still near the open exit to guide its path without chasing. You'll now encourage the bird toward freedom. Make slow, deliberate gestures. Extend a sheet or towel vertically to block corners where it may hide, but never attempt to grab the hummingbird. Hummingbirds respond to bright colors and flowers, so position a feeder or a cluster of bright flowers just outside the open door. Natural sunlight helps. Move slowly from the inside to gently herd it toward that exit, keeping your movements calm and smooth. If the bird hesitates, step back and give it space to orient itself. You're at the finish line. Coax the hummingbird out and close the garage once it leaves. If it won't exit, confine it to one smaller area by closing interior doors, then open the external exit and step back. If the bird shows signs of injury or exhaustion, place a shallow dish of sugar water, 1 part sugar to 9 parts water, near a low perch inside a ventilated box, and contact a licensed wildlife rehabilitator. If it appears healthy but disoriented, wait patiently. Most recover quickly and fly off on their own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.